Here's a free sheet that might change your life. It's Big Year. It's available from bettersheets.co/big year, and it literally is the entire year in one single tab in a spreadsheet, but that's not all. You can print this bad boy. You can print it out from a PDF and put it on your wall. It's fantastic because it shows absolutely the entire year. All of the rows are months. Each day is there. You can use a glossy printing and write on it with whiteboard marker or Sharpie like I do. I remember everybody's birthday and it's proudly displayed right in my living room. This is not my living room, this is some office, right? The idea is simple. It's the entire year in one single tab. So even if you don't print this out, it's very useful to see the entire year laid out in this particular way. You can even go in and color it differently. So each of the cells that are weekends are colored this sort of bluish, but you can go in and you can highlight certain days or certain types of days. Let's say every Monday you want it to be red or yellow, and every Friday you want it to be a cool color like green or even a dark blue. You can do that. It's a Google Sheet and it might actually change your life.